If you are just eating animal meat and say plants, where do you get your bioavailable vitamin A? Well, if you're eating eggs, you'll get some retinoic acid from egg yolks. But I suspect that a lot of people are nutrient deficient, are sort of low level vitamin A deficiency because beta carotene in plant foods is not converted that well to retinoic acid in the human body. You both have to eat way more plant vitamin A than you would from animals. And I think the conversion is like 19,000 to 1. If you're even, so like 19,000 units of beta carotene is equal to 1 bioactive unit of retinoic acid. So liver is really the powerhouse of vitamin A. Kidneys are a great source as well. Egg yolks are good too. And in a way, egg yolks are kind of eating nose to tail. But and I will just mention here that the liver is not a filter. It doesn't store toxins like people think it does. It processes those toxins through phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification systems for export in the urine or the feces. It doesn't store, your liver doesn't just hold on to heavy metals and pesticides. It moves them out of the body. And because it's such an enzymatic powerhouse to do that, it is full of nutrients that are required for those biochemical reactions. Vitamin A is rich in the liver. And again, for most people, I would not worry about vitamin A toxicity eating, ounces of liver every day. And I anecdotally, and myself and people I've worked with, I know people who have eaten a pound of liver a day for weeks or half a pound a day and had vitamin A levels that were completely normal in their body. So this notion that you could get vitamin A toxicity over consuming a few ounces of liver or an ounce of liver per day is just silly. But beyond vitamin A, the question I always ask people is, where do you get your riboflavin? And that's a difficult question to answer if you're not eating liver or heart. If you have enough riboflavin, you can take a, quote, broken MTHFR like mine that functions slowly and make it function just as fast as normally. So I don't have to supplement with methylfolate, which is another compound that is found in liver that's not found in muscle meat. But I don't have to supplement with methylfolate with an MTHFR polymorphism because I get enough riboflavin from heart and liver. And so that's the question, is where are you getting your riboflavin from? The amount of riboflavin in muscle meat is moderate, but heart and liver are much better. And I think a lot of people, and I see this repeatedly, Ivor, with my clients, people I've worked with over the years, if they're only eating muscle meat, you'll see the homocysteine bump. And so if homocysteine is above 8, in my opinion, you don't have enough folate or riboflavin. And usually it's a riboflavin deficiency. People add back in liver and they do great because they get more folate and more riboflavin. And the list goes on and on. I mean, choline, biotin, B6, pantothenic acid, zinc, and copper. Copper balances zinc. And if you over supplement with zinc, which I think is happening more and more these days in the COVID pandemic, people just hear, I need zinc, and they're taking 50 or 100 milligrams of zinc, and you don't balance that with copper, like would have happened in our ancestors when we were eating liver, you're going to get zinc, you're going to get copper deficient. And copper deficiency can manifest just like B12 deficiency clinically. You get sort of posterior column signs, balance issues. You can get all sorts of problems. It's not a good thing to get copper deficient. You don't want to do that. The human body is elegantly designed to eat animals from nose to tail. It just works so well.
Annotated and summarized. Easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points. From the website doctorstotrust.com, you can view the summary notes and share or print the PDF of those notes.